Right, so I just received my tablet order. This takes a SIM card as well. It's got Android 5.1 Lollipop on it, 8GB ROM, 1GB of RAM, 2 megapixel camera, quad core 1.2 GHz processor, and then we've got a stylus, a case, and also a screen protector as a bonus. Right, so inside the box itself, you can already see that we've got the stylus there in its own little slot. Here's the tablet itself. Right, okay, well we've got some manuals, quick start guides and things like that. We've actually got a nice pouch here that we can put the tablet in. So that's nice. We've got an adapter to take USB to micro USB, which is handy. We've got some earbuds here. We've got a micro USB to USB, and this, which is really quite cool, is a plug. So that takes the USB there. Now, it's a 3-pin plug, so if you open up each side and then rotate these pins round this way, that is actually now a 3-pin plug, which I think is very, very cool. And also included is a screen protector. Okay, so a quick look around. We have the power buttons on the side, and then up and down volume, speaker on the back, and camera. There's the headphone jack and the micro USB port on the top. Okay, as for apps, it's stock Android. So we actually, because we can insert a SIM card, have Messenger on here. Play Store, there's no Chinese apps. File Explorer. So we've got 4.64 gigabytes. Right, okay, so let's just see how quick this is. So browsing seems to be nice and quick.